This is Restoration Park in West Monroe, a haven for freshwater turtles. Here we have some red-eared sliders basking. And here a cooter's pulled itself up onto the beaver's dam to bask. Basking's an important behaviour. They haul themselves out and warm themselves up in the sunshine. And it's a social activity. Yes, there's room for one more. It's February 19th and a beautiful day with temperatures in the high 70s. Quite windy though. Now we can see some red-eared sliders, Trachomis scripta elegans. The smaller male is on the left, and the female has a slightly damaged shell. She's larger. Here's a nice scene with the red ear and bluegills together. This little one is a male. Now we're going to witness some courtship behavior. The small male with the very long claws is doing a little dance in front of her. She doesn't seem to be too impressed, but he's persistent. Notice the little flicks on his wrist coming up shortly. There we are. That seems to be part of the courtship. There it is from the front. Notice here he's going to do a bit of bubble blowing. There we are. We'll leave them to it. And finally, we'll look at these little sliders on a log. And a parting shot of a river cooter at speed.